Now let's look at filing a sales and use tax return, paying the tax due, and amending a return. Your Summary tab contains a list of accounts based on your account access. To file a return, choose File Pay View Returns for the sales and use tax account. Then select File Now for the period you wish to file. If you don't have sales or purchases for the period, answer yes to the question asking if you plan to report 0 on every line. Select Next and Submit. To report sales and purchases, select No and follow all steps to complete your return. In Step 1, enter your total sales and any subtractions you may have. Line 6, 7, 8 will automatically calculate for you. Select Next to continue. In Step 2, enter total purchase amounts subject to use tax for the period. If none, leave the field blank and select Next. Report taxable county sales and purchases in Step 3. The counties you reported tax to on previous returns are already listed. To add a county, click in the Open field under the County column and choose it from the drop-down. If you need to delete a county, click the X to the left of the county row. It's not necessary to delete the counties that have no county tax to report for the period. Enter total sales subject to county sales tax and local purchases subject to the county use tax for each county. Your total sales and purchases calculate automatically as you enter amounts. If you don't have sales or purchases to report to a county with tax, answer No. If your seller's permit is registered in a specific county and you select that you do not have county tax to report, once you select Next, you will be required to enter an explanation regarding why you did not report county tax in the county of your permit. If you do not have county sales or use tax to report, select Next to continue. In Step 4, you will report taxable City of Milwaukee sales. Select No if you do not have any taxable sales or purchases within the City of Milwaukee. If you do, select Yes and report those sales. Select Next to see the summary of your return. You can request to have the confirmation email sent to the email address associated with your username before you submit the return. Click Next, and after you submit and agree the information reported is correct, you'll see a confirmation page. We recommend making a payment before you leave the confirmation page to avoid processing delays. Select Make a Payment, and if your payment is not for an amended return, select No. Then choose your preferred payment option. We recommend paying by direct debit from a checking or savings account. It's the easiest, most secure way to pay. Your previous payment sources, if saved, will be listed on the payment screen. Select the account you want to use or enter a new payment source. You can save this bank information as your default for future payments. Once completed, select Next. Click Pay to submit the payment. To amend a sales and use tax return you previously filed, select View or Amend Return for the period you wish to amend. Select Amend, go to the steps you need to correct, and enter the corrected amounts. You will need to enter an explanation for the amendment and then submit your return from the summary screen. You will see the confirmation screen with an opportunity to make a payment of any additional tax owed. Continue to Video 4 for filing and paying withholding tax, or Video 5 for filing and paying other tax types, printing returns, and submitting appeal requests.